Hey friends, if you wish to save a web page as PDF in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Simply open Mozilla Firefox and then let us say you're on this page, and I've already shown you how to print it all in a different video. But if you want to save it as a PDF file on your system, click on the hamburger icon here and select print, and then change the destination to save as PDF. Okay, now click on save and it will tell you the location where you can save it. Let's say it's desktop, then click on save here. It will save it to the desktop, and then go to the desktop, and you will be able to access it. Okay, we'll refresh the page, and here it is. Just double click on it and you will be able to access the web page here as a PDF. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.